Hi, this is Josh from MYOB Enterprise Solutions. This video is an introduction to the self-service module of MYOB Advanced and an overview of how to set it up. The self-service module allows employees to view and manage their own details and to submit leave requests, which are then managed and processed in the payroll module. Managers can also use the self-service module to manage leave requests for the employees they oversee. Before you can use the self-service module, you'll need to configure system settings, employee records and leave items to work with it. The Employee Self-Service module is a separately licensable feature. If you have it included in your license, the self-service features can be enabled by ticking the Employee Self-Service feature on the Enable Disable features screen. Once the module is enabled, you'll need to set up options that affect its overall functioning on the Self-Service Preferences screen. Here you can select the entities that affect how leave requests work and customize the appearance of some of the self-service screens. A leave request numbering sequence is required, but the other two leave request fields are optional. In particular, if you don't choose an approval map for leave requests, then the approval step will be skipped when employees make leave requests. Instead, the requests will be approved automatically as soon as they're submitted. The remaining fields affect how the employee calendar and team calendar screens will appear. You can pick colors for the records that will appear on these calendars, and also customize the pop-up that appears when you hover the mouse over a record. Watch our video on making leave requests in the self-service module to see these screens in action. You'll also need to set up user records for the employees that will be able to access the self-service module. These user records will need to have the People ESS role selected on the Roles tab, and the People User License Type selected on the License Types tab. An employee can be linked to the user record using the Linked Entity field on this screen. Each employee should also have a default pay group selected on the Employee Pay Group screen. This is the pay group that will be associated with their leave requests. The final step is to set up the leave types that will be used with the self-service module. For each leave type that you want to be available, go to the accrual pay item for that type and tick the Allow Leave Request option on the Additional Info tab. You can also tick this option to require that employees attach a document to leave requests for this type, for example if they're required to supply a doctor's certificate when requesting sick leave. That's how you make a leave type available for leave requests. To make it visible when employees check their leave balances, go to the entitlement that the leave type relates to and tick these options on the Rules tab. You can make leave types visible on the Leave Balances screen and allow employees to view their future balances on the Projected Leave Balances screen. Once you've set up all of these options, the self-service module is ready to use. Employees who've been given access to the module can log in with the user account attached to them, view their contact and employment details, and place leave requests for the leave types that you've made available. That concludes our look at setting up the self-service module. For more information on using the self-service module to manage employee details or make requests for leave, see the collection of documentation and videos on the MYOB Advanced Education Center. Thanks for watching.